Did you know that winterizing your home can actually save you money on your insurance premiums? Hi there, I'm Francois Kern, and welcome back to Ontario Insurance Tips. If you're new here, we're all about helping you understand the ins and outs of insurance in Ontario, Canada, and how you can save money on your premiums. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today we're going to talk about winterizing your home and how it can lead to insurance savings. Now you might be wondering, Francois, what does winterizing my home have to do with insurance? Well, let me tell you, it has a lot to do with it. Insurance companies love when homeowners take proactive steps to protect their property, especially against the harsh Ontario winters. By winterizing your home, you're reducing the risk of damage from things like frozen pipes, ice dams, and heavy snow loads on your roof. And when you reduce the risk, you reduce the likelihood of making a claim. And when you reduce the likelihood of making a claim, insurance companies are more likely to reward you with lower premiums. So, what are some ways you can winterize your home? Well, you can start by insulating your pipes to prevent them from freezing. You can also clean out your gutters to prevent ice dams, and you can reinforce your roof to handle the weight of heavy snow. Now, these are just a few examples. There are many other ways to winterize your home, and I encourage you to do your research and find what works best for your home. And remember, always keep your insurance provider in the loop. Let them know about the steps you're taking to protect your home. They might even have some additional tips for you. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about winterizing your home or insurance in general, please leave them in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And if you're interested in saving on your insurance costs, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you navigate the world of insurance and find the best rates possible. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more Ontario insurance tips. Until next time, stay safe and keep saving.